Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I am going to share a little secret with you guys about my summer skincare products. So I have been using these two particular skincare products pretty much all summer, and in my opinion they are the best skincare products for summer months. So I have got oily and acne prone skin, and these skincare products turned out to be the best for me. But the good news is these skincare products are designed for all skin types. So if you want to learn about these two skincare products, then keep on watching. So the skincare products I have been using all summer are again from La Clinica, and these products are from their rebalancing range. Rebalancing range is designed for all skin types, but as per La Clinica, these products are ideal for dull, stressed out, damaged, hormonally imbalanced, and oily to combination skin. So what makes this rebalancing range so special? Rebalancing range is designed to detoxify your skin because it has got a green tea extract in that. Rebalancing range helps to rebalance your skin. I mean, if your pH balance is out of whack, it brings the pH back to normal. This particular range helps to protect your complexion. It helps to improve the texture and tone of your skin. And the best thing about this rebalancing range, in my opinion, is it is rich in vitamin A, C, E, and hyaluronic acid. Whenever I apply these particular products on my skin instantly feels soft, well hydrated, and it feels like literally starts to glow. So this rebalancing range can be used by all skin types, but it is ideal for dull, damaged, hormonally imbalanced and combination skin. So let's start with the rebalancing vitamin A day cream. So it comes in this 50 ml of packaging, medium sized packaging, really easy to store, and because it's a tube and it's really easy to dispense as well. And fragrance wise, I always feel like it smells like tea tree oil and like very herbally type of fragrance. And then comes the most important part and my favorite part of any skincare products, which is ingredients, because ingredients never lie. So this vitamin A day cream from La Clinica's rebalancing range has got really good ingredients, all of my favorite ingredients. So I will read out these ingredients to you, and then we will discuss every ingredient separately, and I will let you know what each ingredient does to your skin. So the first ingredient in this rebalancing vitamin A cream is CoQ10, which is coenzyme Q10. Then we have got a green tea extract, then we got niacinamide, then we have got vitamin A, C, E, and hyaluronic acid. So really good ingredients in this rebalancing vitamin A day cream. Start with the ingredients, and I will explain to you what each ingredient does to your skin. So we will start with coenzyme Q10. Coenzyme Q10 is a very well known anti-aging ingredient. It's very well known for erasing the signs of aging. It erases fine lines and wrinkles. And coenzyme Q10 is also really helpful in the production of collagen. Comes green tea extract. Green tea extract is a very well known antioxidant. It protects our skin from the free radicals and also from the environmental damages. It rejuvenates our skin. It improves the texture and tone of our skin. It stimulates the production of new skin cells, and it gives the dead, dry and damaged skin a very healthy glow. niacinamide. Niacinamide is also a very good ingredient. It's well known for supporting our skin's natural barrier system. As you know, our skin has a barrier system which protects our skin from the environmental damages, and also it keeps the moisture locked in to keep our skin well hydrated and keep our skin nice and moisturized. So niacinamide helps to strengthen our skin's barrier system. Niacinamide also regulates the oil production. Because it all regulates the oil production, it's really helpful in the treatment of acne, because the main cause of acne is excessive production of oil, which is then clogging our pores and then allowing the P. acne bacteria to multiply within the clogged pores. So niacinamide is also very helpful in the treatment of acne. Niacinamide also protects us from the sun damage because it improves and it strengthens our skin's barrier system, and it minimizes the appearance of pores. So that's why it improves the texture and tone of our skin. Vitamin A, a very well-known anti-aging ingredient. It fights against the signs of aging, it erases fine lines and wrinkles, improves the texture and tone of our skin. It's also really helpful in the treatment of acne. It increases our cell turnover rate. It tells our body to start making new skin cells, and it gets rid of the old skin cells. So really good anti-aging ingredient, and this particular cream is rich in vitamin A. Then comes vitamin C. You must have heard me harping on about vitamin C in every video of mine. I love vitamin C. Vitamin C has got two main functions. First function of vitamin C is it's a tyrosinase inhibitor, which means it interferes in the production of melanin, and because it interferes in the production of melanin, it brightens our skin and it helps to reduce the pigmentation associated with the sun damage. And the another really important function of vitamin C is it helps in the production of new collagen. Collagen which gives the structure to our skin, which makes us look plumper, which makes us look younger. And vitamin C is also really good to promote the hydration levels of your skin. I absolutely love vitamin C, and I never leave home without applying vitamin C on my face. Vitamin E. Vitamin E has got two main functions. First function is it's a very powerful antioxidant, which means it protects our skin from the free radicals, it protects our skin from the sun damage, and it's also a really good anti-inflammatory ingredient, which means it's really calming and it's really soothing for our skin. And vitamin E also promotes the hydration level of our skin. It makes our skin looks well moisturized and well hydrated. Also rich in hyaluronic acid. Everybody knows about hyaluronic acid, that hyaluronic acid is really good for our skin. So what basically hyaluronic acid does is hyaluronic acid promotes the hydration level of our skin. Hence it is very helpful in the dry, dull and damaged skin treatment. Hyaluronic acid, because it promotes the hydration level of our skin, it softens the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and hyaluronic acid is very well known to make our skin look softer, plumper and younger. So really good cream, very lightweight, absorbs easily into your skin, does not make your skin oily and shiny. So I will show you how it looks on my skin. So tiny amount, and look how easily it absorbs into the skin, and it does not make your skin look excessively oily or shiny. And it smells really like herbally kind of smells like tea tree oil. See, it absorbed into the skin, and it makes my skin look softer. It makes my skin glowing. Really good cream. So this is a cost wise 50 ml of packaging, and it costs $60 here in Australia. In my opinion, very affordable product, and it is rich in really good ingredients, which is gonna give your skin that soft plump appearance, and it's also gonna detoxify your skin, fight against acne, and it's also gonna rejuvenate your skin and improve the texture and tone of your skin. And then comes how to use. As this is a day cream, so La Clinica advises to use it daily after cleansing your face and follow with the sunscreen. This cream is designed to detoxify your skin, rebalance your skin, and protects your skin when you are out and about from the environmental damages, including UV rays. And I have been also using their purifying and healing vitamin A mask from their rebalancing range, and every time I apply this particular mask on my face, I feel like my skin looks much brighter, much plumper, much softer, and really clear after applying this particular face mask. The only bad thing is this is a practitioner only formula, if you can see, and I don't think you can get hold of this product if you are not qualified in the skincare industry, unfortunately. But you can definitely go to a beauty clinic or beauty salon where they use La Clinica products, and you can ask for treatment with this particular purifying and healing vitamin A mask. I really recommend this product. So that's it about today's video. If you find the video helpful, please don't forget to give me thumbs up, and please give me your opinion in the comment section. Your opinion are really important for me to improve my videos, and I shall see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.